Welcome to my YouTube channel, where today we are going on another fantastic, wonderful, relaxing hike in the forest. Now, I am releasing this video and recording this audio just a few days into spring. Yes, spring is here. However, the video you're going to see was recorded about a month ago in the winter. But there's no snow on the ground. Yeah, we didn't really get much snow this particular winter. We had I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 small little snowstorms that left nothing but a dusting of snow on the ground. And then one particular snowstorm that left about 4 inches, and then that 4 inches melted the next day. Mostly it has been rain, and it has been very muddy on these trails. Very muddy. So muddy that it kind of made it difficult to do this. There is one particular location that I normally go to. I have not been able to go there because you can't even walk on the trails. They are so muddy. You can't get around them. It has just been pretty bad. And this is usually the kind of thing you deal with in spring. So I don't know if it's just going to continue this way or if spring is actually going to be a little different. As we get that warmer sun drying up the ground a lot faster than what's happening now. So maybe, I'll be able to get back to some of these locations. But today is going to be a sights and sound video, and that is a video where you just get to see what I see without me talking and interrupting anything. You don't have to listen to me. But normally what I do is a video where you see what I see, but I tell you a story as we go along. And the story is anything. It could be advice, it could be inspirational, it could be motivational, it could be funny, or just a little story about something that happened. You just never know here at Hiking with Mike. And if you are new to the channel and you still don't quite understand what I do here, my name is Mike, and what I do is point of view hiking videos in beautiful 4K. I use a power drill to install a GoPro right into my forehead. I mean, it's painful, but I do it for you. And that way you get to see exactly what I see as I head off onto the hiking trails. Now, most of the time it is a forest. We're going through the woods, but sometimes it could be a meadow, or it could be the ocean. I walk on top of the ocean. It is a special ability I have. So I will walk directly on the surface of the ocean, and you'll get to see that. It is fantastic. Except for that one time I got attacked by the shark, but let's not go there. But as many of the viewers of these videos have stated, it can be very relaxing. It's a way for you to escape from your normal daily life and just head out there into the forest virtually. If you're stuck at your job, you're having a bad day, you can't actually leave your home, maybe it's raining outside and, you feel like you're trapped. Well, here's a way to escape. And after you watch the video, you'll feel like you had taken the hike yourself. If you are new to the channel and have not subscribed, or you have seen a bunch of videos, but you still haven't subscribed, why not do so now? I'll take a moment here. I'll give you a shot. I'll just stay here and stay quiet for a moment while you hit that subscribe button. Okay, great. You did it, right? You hit that subscribe button? Awesome. That's fantastic. Now, if you like the video, you enjoy the video, it's really great. It's fun, it's funny, it's enjoyable, it's relaxing, whatever your emotion may be, what you can do is go right over there to that like button and just give it a little tap. A little tap. Not too hard, just enough to say, hey, I do like this video. It's fantastic. And you know what is fantastic about liking and subscribing? It helps the channel. It helps the channel grow. It tells YouTube and their algorithms, hey, everybody, here's a video worth watching. Because all of these people are subscribing and enjoying the video and they're hitting the like button. So therefore, we should show it to more people. And then the video grows and I'm able to keep doing this. Because think of it this way. when you're on, say, television or a streaming service, you know, they have a way to count ratings. But we don't do that here at YouTube. We look at the subscribers, we look at the likes and the amount of views. And when we don't get those numbers, we have to question whether or not we should continue. And that's what I have to do here. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and get ready because I'm about to zip my mouth shut so that you can enjoy the rest of the video. But before I do that, I have one last thing to do, and that is a shameless plug. And if you don't know what a shameless plug is, it's where I plug something of mine, some merch, that I've created shamelessly. And so, you know what? Let me do that right now. A shameless plug. That's right, it's time for a shameless plug, where I plug something of mine shamelessly. And today, I'm going to promote MikeBurkePhotography.com. Many times when I'm out here on the trails, you'll find me with my camera, snapping away. I love photography, and I have created a website where I sell prints of the many images I have taken over the years. If you're looking for the most perfect, beautiful landscape image, an image of the ocean, of the sunset, of autumn or winter, check out MikeBurkePhotography.com for that most perfect image to hang in your living room. You'll also find plenty of options. You can get it as a print, canvas, a metal print. Check it out today, MikeBurkePhotography.com. And that is the end of my shameless plug. Now, back to the video.